Introducing balimbing, a Berroa carambola of the family Oxalidaceae. Balimbing is a small to medium-sized 3 to 10 meters tall. Leaves are alternate and pinnately compound with one ad lip at the end of the lip. Leaflets are ovate to elliptic with entire margins. Flowers are small, variegated white and purple and borne on the axils of the leaves. Fruit is an oblong, fleshy, fresh, green, juicy, and edible berry. Balimbing is native to the Malay Peninsula. It is popularly grown as a fruit tree throughout the Philippines. It is occasionally planted as an ornamental tree. It is propagated by seeds or by buddings. Balimbing extracts have demonstrated several potential beneficial medicinal properties, including antioxidant, hypoglycemic, hypocholesterolemic, anti-inflammatory, cardiovascular, anti-tumor, and immune-boosting effects in vitro and in vivo studies. On the other hand, balimbing ingestion has also been shown to cause nephrotoxicity and neurotoxicity. The level of ingestion at which the beneficial effects become toxic has not yet been precisely defined. The presence of chronic kidney disease, gastroenteropathies, chronic pancreatitis, dehydration, consumption on an empty stomach, and higher concentration of oxalate in the fruit or juice consumed predisposes to toxicity. Therefore, considering the lack of human studies and the reported toxicity profile, further human studies are necessary, specifically related to pharmacokinetics and bioavailability.